final project, I decided to model a car for one of my favorite TV shows, Initial D, Talk Me's Toyota Sprinter Trueno. I started the project by modeling the body of the car, which took the largest amount of time. This process consisted of projected curves, vertical and horizontal relationships, 3D sketches on planes, and most challenging, the boundary surfaces, felt surfaces, and trim surfaces. Then I modeled the wheels. Creating the wheels required a couple of advanced techniques. Of them revolve sketches, circular patterns, and combine, which is essentially a Solidworks Boolean operation. After everything was complete, I tossed the 16 files into one assembly, making sure everything works. For my structural analysis on Talk Me's Sprinter Trueno, I decided to do a static study on the rims, as one of Talk Me's drift techniques is to lock his inner wheel into the gutter of a hairpin turn going over 100 km per hour. Here is my calculation of the centripetal force assuming these conditions. After applying a 3,370 pound-foot force to the inner rim, fixed at the center, here are my results. The max stress is 320,600 psi and the max displacement is 0.01255 inches.